All right, everybody, you've had a chance to think a little bit about energy as a resource. Now we're moving into the module where we're focusing on applying positive energy. So, thinking about how do I now take energy and apply it and make sure that my organization can be successful. And there's a lot of key concepts we could delve into this, but I do just want to talk this week in particular about application, right? What am I doing and what are some things that I could do if I'm not sure about how to apply energy and how to increase energy? So, a few of those concepts that we could think about that we discuss in this week's module, one is developing that gratitude culture, right? Are the people in my organization, are they thinking about how do I go about recognizing my team and how do I go about looking for what's going well? That is a cultural aspect, and that's something that I can do to increase energy. A second one is I can increase community engagement, both the community that are it's in my organization, but also my external community. What am I doing to make sure that they know that I care and that we care as an organization? We also need to make sure we have transparency. There's few things that suck energy out of our organizations more than people feeling like they don't have the story, or people, there's actually a great book out there by Kai Wakeman where she talks about this principle of drama and talks about how drama is emotional waste in the workplace. And the idea there is that sometimes when we aren't being transparent, when we aren't sharing, people start talking about it and they start, going through drama in order to kind of figure out what's going on. And that is energy depleting. We should also share our positive stories. What does greatness look like? And how can I share that with my team? I should treat people with respect, right? Looking for ways to demonstrate respect and care and concern. And of course, I put up on here these kind of challenge coins because another thing I think we can do is we can look for artifacts that symbolize energy and symbolize our greatness. Again, as you think about applying energy, think about how you can accomplish these five things. Think about specific practices that might help you to do that. I hope that you enjoyed thinking about energy as a resource, thinking about how to apply it as we move forward in our positive leadership journey.